customers. This is our fully automatic ring forming and butt welding machine workshop. This machine with arc welding very good for stainless steel. Other machines are under assembly. These two machines are intermediate frequency butt welding. Its advantage is safe electricity and better butt welding quality with safeguard. They work for inner ring diameter 40 mm to 600 mm. This is intermediate frequency controller. Two machines are ready for shipment.